rang, Mr. Noisy?
Hello, Mr. Bounce. Is Miss Gary home? I happen to be going door to door with an incredible offer.
Oh, yes, but she's unfortunately busy upstairs feeding her bats.
Well, perhaps she could come down for...
And then you must be washed and hung to dry.
Of course, but...
Who is it down there?
1 minute, bong bong. Up we go, bong wee.
Well, who is it? Well, what's he want?
Down we go, bong bong. What is it you want?
I'm going door to door selling...
Doors? 1 moment, bong bong. Up the stairs, wee.
What? Why would I want a door? This place is loaded with doors. Tell him no thanks.
Down we go, boing, boing, down the stairs again, boing. Thank you. But she doesn't need a door.
No, I'm going door to door selling this vacuum.
Vacuum?
Yes.
Got it. Boing, boing. What a day I'm having up the stairs.
What did he say? What is he saying, that my house is dirty? Tell him to go vacuum his own house.
Aha.
Down we go, boing, boing. She says...
I don't want to vacuum her house. I want to sell her a vacuum. And what's more, she doesn't have to come downstairs because Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner can be heard in every part of the house.
Oh, you're scaring my bats. What's all the racket down there?
That, Miss Gary, was Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner, the noisiest vacuum cleaner you can buy. And here to sell you this fine product.
Why didn't anybody say so? I always come downstairs for salesmen. Goodbye. I always come downstairs to scare a salesman.